Hello everybody, Randy, Cupcake Farms, Texas City, doing what I love to do, grow as organically as possible, sell it to you guys. Thank you for your support. I'm having fun on this beautiful hot Thursday afternoon. There's no rain, but there's a few clouds up there. I like that because it sure did rain yesterday, Wednesday, as well as Monday, but I'm gonna flip this around because this is what I'm doing. I just cleaned up one of my rows, and now that I have my direct seeding machine, I went ahead and seeded green beans. And what I did here is I left it shallow on purpose so that you guys can see how the seeds fall out of the tray. It's about every 6 inches. Well, here's a seed that just didn't actually get into any dirt. There we go. So I did a little bit with that so that you guys could see that there at home. So what do I have? I ended up buying the Charles Walters seeder. Obviously, this one's less than $200, and I thought it would be perfect for our little farm, which is about 1/4 of an acre overall. I mean, our whole property is 3/4 of an acre, and we have a fairly large home and a garage, and of course the swimming pool that you guys have seen in other videos. But surely I could get some very expensive ones. I know Chef Mikey, his is really expensive. It's a couple grand for that sucker, and it's well deserved though. His garden is, well, his grow is 100 times prettier and sexier than mine, but that's okay. Well, one of the things I want to show you is in this kit, they give you like 10 wheels. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 wheels. And one blank as well, apparently, so that you can create your own. But it's already pre-cut and pre-designed for like cucumbers and what is that? Oh, that's the one that we custom cut. We got okra, Swiss chard, etc., carrots, corn. Didn't have this when we planted 3,000 corn seeds back behind us over there, but this really, man, I mean, I did 3 lines, and this is my 30-foot row. I did all 3 of those in like a minute, literally, and I'm gonna, and again, I purposely left it a little shallow because this here does have that little silver deal under there that splits the dirt. You can drop it down as deep as you want, and then the chain drags behind it to fill it in. And one thing I noticed, that front wheel, it creates a divot, if you will, in the dirt, make it a little bit easier. But as you guys know, my farm, I'm doing the mushroom dirt with the chips on both left and right, so I don't have to really worry about weeds. And I'm doing the no-till, obviously, with that. But that's it. I just wanted to show you guys the seeder. And of course, I use green beans, top crop, which are my favorites because they're bush, and you get a whole lot of beans. As you notice, these are not colored because I don't want them pre-fertilized, with the exception of my corn, my sweet corn. That's the only thing that comes pre-fertilized. I don't want it added because I want to grow it myself without any added help, chemicals, etc. I understand the purpose for it to be on the corn seed, but like green beans, carrots, squash, which, man, those squash are looking beautiful. Of course, you guys will see that Saturday. And when I tell you squash is beautiful, I'm going to show you guys a little cutie pie. There she is. You see that? Oh, and there are hundreds of that size growing. Mom. That was what I wanted to show you guys on this beautiful Thursday down here in Houston, of course, Texas City, right out on the water. Follow along. Be with us all season, folks. I appreciate you. I thank you so much. And, of course, we set it up on Saturdays for you guys to come by and pick what you want. I have 2 more rows of radishes here where the squash is at on the outsides that we'll pick Saturday this week. We've got most of it sold. I'll probably still have about 10 bunches, which I thought I was going to have left over last week. We ended up selling it all, so it was a blessing. And but that's it. I just wanted to show you my seeder, show you guys how we do it, and maybe to make it faster for you in the future. Whoa, look at me. I'm dropping my